So yes, what's going on, people? Today's video is gonna be an unboxing and review of the Streamplify mic. But before I get into that, I just want to say a big thank you to Melanin Gamers and Streamplify for this mic. So thank you guys once again, appreciate it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into this. Let's not even waste any time. Okay, now that the Streamplify mic is unboxed and assembled, we can now review it. So one feature I do like about the mic is the RGB lighting. There's a few colors you can choose from, and there are settings where you can have a variety of colors in one go. But for the people that are not fans of the RGB lighting, you can also turn it off. So it's not mandatory for the light to be on if you don't want it to. And the way to flick through the variety of RGB lights available on the mic is just simply by pressing the button that's above the earphone jack. The Streamplify mic also gives you the option to mute if need be, and in order to do that, we press the big button just below the RGB mic. You press it once, the light will go red to show that it's on mute, and to unmute it, we simply press the button again. The RGB light will flash blue, indicating that the mic's unmuted and ready to be used. Now it's time to review the quality of the mic. So one interesting feature about the mic is that there's two modes to it: podcast mode and gaming mode. And the way to know what mode the mic is on is by the small RGB light at the front of it. So when the light is blue, that indicates it's on podcast mode. And when the light is green, it indicates that it's in gaming mode. Whenever you wish to switch modes on the mic, it can be done simply by pressing and holding the big button in the middle of the mic. Now it's time to test the audio quality. So the mic I'm using at the moment to record my audio is the Blue Yeti. That's my default mic, I use it for all my gaming videos. But now it's time to test the Streamplify mic. Okay, so the Streamplify mic is plugged in, currently recording the audio of this video, and I currently have it on podcast mode. So this is what it sounds like on podcast mode. I'm gonna switch it to gaming mode and we're gonna compare the two. Okay, so now we're in gaming mode, and the aim of gaming mode is to eliminate background noise. So for example, if I was a PC gamer and I'm using my keyboard and mouse, you would hear a lot of typing and clicking. The gaming mode's aim is to eliminate all the background noise from that. So yeah, when I play this video back, we can compare the two and see how it fares. So after watching back the video and comparing the audio between the two modes, I believe it's easy to conclude that podcast mode is miles better than gaming mode. Gaming mode's trash. The clarity is inconsistent, the volume is too low, and the general quality of the audio is subpar. But when you compare it to the podcast mode, my voice sounds clear, it sounds crisp, the clarity is there, and the general quality of the audio is strong. So for me, whenever I use the Streamplify mic, I'm simply gonna stick to podcast mode. I'm even using the mic to record this part of the video now. So yeah, in conclusion, the Streamplify mic is a quality mic. In podcast mode, gaming mode, not so much. So for anyone that's shopping around for a new mic and you want something and you're chopping on a budget also, I would say go for the Streamplify mic. Strong quality, has RGB features if you're into that, and it has a nice sleek look to it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the link to the microphone in the description box. And once again, thank you to the people at Melanin Gamers and Streamplify for sending me this mic for me to unbox and review. I've enjoyed doing this video. So yeah, we've come to the end now. So if you did like this video, hit me with that like button. If you like what I'm bringing to my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Until then, I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Safe.